Hello and welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about today's current affairs quiz. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for your immediate notification. First question, Mandwadi railway station to be renamed as Banaras. The railway station is situated in which state? And the options are A. Bihar, B. Karnataka, C. Uttar Pradesh and D. Jharkhand. And the right answer is Uttar Pradesh is the right answer for this question. And the Mandwadi railway station situated in Varanasi. And it is also a terminal of Varanasi. And in addition to that, in October 2017, the Mughal Sarai Junction was renamed to Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction. And the next question, recently which state government has launched its new state emblem? Option A. Assam, B. Goa, C. Gujarat, D. Jharkhand. And the right answer is Jharkhand is the right answer. Recently the Jharkhand government has launched as a new emblem, and this is the new emblem of Jharkhand government. And the Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren has launched this new emblem with in the presence of Governor Draupadi Murmu. Recently, Satyapal Malik appointed as governor of which state? Option A. Meghalaya, B. Punjab, C. Sikkim, D. Rajasthan. And the right answer is Meghalaya is the right answer for this question. And Satyapal Malik appointed as governor of Meghalaya, and he has transferred from Goa. In addition to that, he has been member of parliament from Aligarh in 1989. Which bank appoints Ashwini Kumar Shukla as Chief Risk Officer? Option A. PNB, B. Central Bank of India, C. SBI, D. Syndicate Bank. And the right answer is Central Bank of India is the right answer, and Ashwini Kumar Shukla appointed as Chief Risk Officer in Central Bank of India, and she was working as a General Manager in SBI, the Department of Risk Management Department. Recently, who among the following cricketer appointed as the brand ambassador of Oakley's in India? Option A. Virat Kohli, B. Sachin Tendulkar, C. Ashwin, D. Rohit Sharma. And the answer is option D. Rohit Sharma is the right answer. And Oakley is a sports eyewear brand company. With this partnership, Sharma will sport the brand's performance eyewear on and off the pitch. Who heads the committee formed by central government to reconsider the minimum age for marriage for women? And the option A. Vinod Paul, B. Jaya Jetli, C. Vasudha Kamath, D. Deepti Shah. And the answer is Jaya Jetli is the right answer. And recently the central government formed a committee to reconsider the minimum age for women, and Jaya Jetli has been appointed as the head of this committee. And one more point is Jaya Jetli is an Indian politician and former president of Samajwadi Party. Name the tribal health and nutrition portal which has been launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs to offer health and nutrition related information of the tribal population of India on a single platform. And option A. Arogya, B. Tribe Health, C. Manushya, D. Swasthya. And the answer is Swasthya is the right answer for this question, and the name of the portal is Swasthya. And why this portal is launched? Because to provide all health and nutrient related information to the tribal peoples, and it was launched by Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munde. Which of the following institute topped in Atal Rankings 2020? And option A. IIT Bombay, B. IIT Kharagpur, C. IIT Madras, D. IIT Kanpur. And the answer is IIT Madras is the right answer for this question, and the IIT Madras is topped in that Atal Rankings, that is ARIIA. 2020 awards goes to IIT Madras, for the innovation achievements, and IIT Madras has emerged as the best institute under the Institute of National Importance category. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari had laid foundation stone for 13 new highway projects in which state recently? Option A Arunachal Pradesh, B Meghalaya, C Assam, D Manipur. And the right answer is Manipur is the right answer for this question, and Nitin Gadkari is the Road Transport and Highway Minister of India, and he has launched this project in Manipur, and it involves a road length of 316 kilometers. Which of the following bank launched Jan Bachat Khatta? Option A Fino Payments Bank, B Paytm Payments Bank, C Airtel Payments Bank, D NSDL Payments Bank. And the answer is Fino Payments Bank is the right answer for this question, and which is an other authentication based digital saving account that brings neo banking experience. Neo banking means bank without branches, and it is based on online mode only. So the answer for this question is Fino Payments Banks launched Jan Bachat Khatta scheme in India. And next question, World Humanitarian Day is observed on which day? And option A July 23, B August 8, C August 19, D June 18. And the right answer for this question is August 19 is the right answer. And why this day is organized? Because the day honor all humanitarians who have worked hard and who have lost their lives in the cause of duty, and this day is established by General Assembly of UN in December 2018. How many Indian villages will be connected with optical fiber in next 1000 days? Option A 2 lakh, option B 6 lakh, option C 3 lakh, option D 5 lakh. And the answer is 6 lakhs is the right answer for this question. And the recently the 74th Independence Day conducted by our Prime Minister, in their speech, last 5 years 1.5 lakhs villages have been connected with optical fiber, said by our Prime Minister, and the next 1000 days approximately, and it will be implemented in 6 lakhs villages with fiber optical cable. For the reason for this scheme is to provide all the villages with a high internet speed. Who among the following has authored a new book titled Full Spectrum India's Was 1972-2020? And option A Kabil Isapuri, B R.L. Bhatt, C Arjun Subramaniam, D Raghav Bahal. And the right answer is Arjun Subramaniam is the right answer for this question. And he is a retired Air Vice Marshal, and it will be published by Harper Collins Publishers India Private Limited, and it is the sequence to his first book, that is Indians Wars 1947 to 1971. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has approved the proposal of the National Cadet Corps to be expanded across how many border and coastal districts? And option A 165, B 170, C 173, D 182. And the answer is 173 is the right answer, and NCC will be expanded all over the country, and the areas get trained manpower for disaster management, and youth will get trained for making their career in their armed force. Next question. Quality Control Lab has been set up by the Marine Products Export Development Authority, that is MPDA, in which state? Option A Gujarat, B Bihar, C West Bengal, D Tamil Nadu. And the answer is Gujarat is the right answer. The MPDA has been set up the quality control lab for seafoods in Porbandar, Gujarat, and it was inaugurated by Chairman K.S. Srinivas. Black Buck National Park is located at which state? Option A Chandigarh, B Assam, C Goa, D Gujarat. And the right answer is Gujarat is the right answer, and it is located in Bhavnagar district, and it was established in 1976, and it is located around 42 kilometers. Which of the following is the capital of Mali? Option A Bamako, B Canberra, C Rome, D Baku. And the right answer is Bamako is the right answer for this question, and capital of Mali is Bamako, and Canberra is the capital of Australia, and Rome is the capital of Italy, and Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan. Bhangra is a classical dance of which state? Option A West Bengal, B Kerala, C Punjab, and D Karnataka. And the answer is Punjab is the right answer, and Bhangra is a classical dance of Punjab state, and the West Bengal classical dance is Gaudiya Nrittya, and the Kerala state classical dance is Kathakali, and Karnataka Kuchipudi is the classical dance. The headquarters of World Meteorological Organization is at A New York, B Rome, C Geneva, D Vienna. And the answer is Geneva is the right answer. Geneva, Switzerland is the right answer, and it consists of 193 member state in that organization, and it was established from 1873. There is an international meteorological organization, and this World Meteorological Organization established in 1950 March 23. Which of the following is currency of Israel? Option A dinar, B rial, C shekel, D yen. And the answer is shekel is the right answer. The currency of Israel is shekel, and dinar is a Kuwait currency, rial is a Iran currency, and yen is Japan currency. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.